They scurry through the shadows, a fleeting glimpse in the dark. For centuries, we've seen them as pests, carriers of disease, a sign of decay. But what if I told you that this creature, often feared and misunderstood, holds a secret that could save your life? What if the key to fighting some of humanity's most devastating diseases was hidden within the humble rat? Let's shift our perspective, step out of the alleyways, and into the bright, sterile world of the modern laboratory. Here, a specific kind of rat, the laboratory rat, is an unsung hero of medical science. These animals are not the same as their wild cousins. They have been carefully bred for research, contributing to breakthroughs that have changed the course of human history. Think about the medicines in your cabinet, from antibiotics that fight off deadly infections to treatments for high blood pressure that prevent heart attacks and strokes. The journey of these life-saving drugs often began with studies involving rats. Their biological systems are surprisingly similar to our own. This similarity allows scientists to safely study how new treatments work, and if they are safe for humans, without ever putting a person at risk. And it's not just about medicine. In the field of neuroscience, rats have helped us understand the complexities of the human brain. We've learned about memory, behavior, and the devastating effects of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. By studying how these conditions affect the rat brain, researchers are developing strategies to slow their progression and one day, hopefully, find a cure. They've even become heroes outside the lab. In countries like Cambodia and Mozambique, giant pouched rats are trained to detect landmines. Their incredible sense of smell allows them to find these hidden dangers far faster than a human with a metal detector, saving countless lives and limbs. The same sense of smell is now being used to detect tuberculosis in human saliva samples. It's offering a quick and cost-effective diagnostic tool in developing nations. So the next time you think of a rat, remember this. Remember the lives saved, the diseases cured, and the scientific mysteries unraveled. This small, often maligned creature has a much bigger story to tell. It's a story of sacrifice, discovery, and unexpected heroism. They are not just survivors in our world. They are vital partners in building a healthier future for all of us. Thanks for watching. If this video changed your perspective, hit that like button and subscribe for more surprising stories from the natural world. See you next time.